Welcome to the first episode of Pia's Kitchen Pinoy Style.
This is Pia.
So today, we will be preparing one of the most popular Filipino snack or merienda, which is banana! So what can you think with this banana? Probably banana turon. We'll make banana turon today. So watch out guys for our first vlog of this Pinoy style. In today's episode, we will be preparing banana turon. One of the main ingredients that we need is banana. So this one bag of banana costs only $1 at Walmart. So watch out for it guys. Every time there's on sale, you can grab this for only $1. Our next ingredient for this today's snack is this spring roll pastry, or also known as in Tagalog, Lumpia wrapper, or in other Filipino language. So this will be the one main ingredient we will be using. The third ingredient is the sugar. So inside of this container is sugar. So we will be needing white sugar. So once the oil reaches its heated temperature, we will be putting a small amount of sugar, maybe half a tablespoon to sprinkle on it, and be sure that temperature is in low temperature or else the sugar will get burned easily. And after that, we will be putting each of these ready rolled banana turon raw on the pan. Now it good. So we're done with the banana turon recipe. So it's time for the cleaning. So I'll wash this after our video. I'll write down in the description box below all the ingredients you need and the procedures you need to make this banana turon. I hope you like this first video, and please don't I hope you like this first video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until our next Pinoy style recipe. This is Pia's Kitchen Pinoy Style.